Hi friends, this is Venkat Swami. Once again, I came with a new tool. As usual, I am making tools to analyze open interest, which is called OIA tools. And nowadays, after getting that OIA tool for all stocks, most of the members of our group are requesting to make a tool to summarize all the results for open interest. So I came up with a new tool. Here I will explain. As usual, here I have included all the symbols which are traded in future market NSE, and here we have to add here we have to add expiry date for index. Means sometimes some people are, most of the time, of course, most of the people, they will watch only weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So it's of course your wish. If you want to watch or analyze weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can here give that weekly expiry, and for stocks monthly expiry. Then click on get data. So it will go to NSE and take the open interest for each and every stock, and it will give you like this sheet. And here I will explain what all these things are included in this sheet. Here it is symbol, and it is the time of last updated time. So here it is March May 20. So I updated yesterday evening. So that's why it's saying May 19, 20, 13, 15, 30. Here it is spot price of that particular stock or index, and then expiry date which we have chosen. If you have chosen weekly expiry, it is weekly expiry. Other than for stocks, as usual, it is monthly expiry. Here current price of future price future stock, it is next month future stock, then it is for month. Here maximum open interest for call side, and that particular strike price which has maximum open interest in call side. In the same way, maximum open interest in put side and particular strike. Then it is for intraday. If you are updating in intraday basis, so it will show you change in open interest for call strike price, same change in open interest in put side and particular strike price. Here I have included one more thing, it is second max open interest for call side. In the same way, second max open interest for put side. And here it is where the current spot price is trading it. Means here it is maximum open interest for call side, strike price is called resistance. If we take Adani as a stock price, so here I will explain maximum open interest for call side, it taken as resistance 150 and support is 130. In the same way, if you go second max open interest, resistance it is 160 and support it is 120. So we consider this four levels: resistance 1, resistance 2, support 2, support 1. And from that one, here we are showing where the spot price is trading it. So for that one I will show you here. If the stock is trading between resistance and support 1, resistance 1, it will show you between S and R. And if the stock is trading between support 1 and support 2, it will show you lower zone. If it will trade between resistance 1 and resistance 2, it will show you upper zone. And stock is above the resistance 2, it will show you above, or if it is below the support 2, it will show you below the support level. Yeah, this is here. Lower zone, upper zone, below the support, above the support, between the support and resistance. And in same way, I have shown here maximum pain for particular stock price, and put call ratio in open interest, and of course for the volume. And here I have shown for maximum volume, because sometimes for intraday, if we are considering to take any call, we have to include in volume also. So here I shown particular call where the volume is maximum, and particular strike price. In the same way for put side also. Just need to enter expiry date for index and expiry date for stock, then get data. It will take, of course, of 10 to 15 minutes. That is depend upon your internet size speed. It will take data and update you all that here. So if you want to know more details about it, this sheet, or want to get this sheet, just please WhatsApp me or join this below group Telegram channel. Thank you.